It's never too late to start a YouTube channel. You can actually start making money the same day that you create your channel. Most people think you have to be monetized to make money, but you don't. And I'm going to show you how in this video. So stay tuned. Most people think that you have to be monetized. Most people think that monetization is the only way to make money on YouTube. And that is what so many creators strive for, being monetized. When you're monetized, that means that you have ads playing in your videos. The ads are either at the beginning, the middle, or the end, or all three. And that is the monetization. And it comes through by Google AdSense. But I realized, and I just realized this since I've been over 50, I realized that you don't have to be monetized to make money on YouTube. And you don't have to wait on monetization before you can start reaping the benefits of online sales and online income. In this video, we're going to talk about a few different ways to make money from your YouTube channel the day that you start your channel. So listen. It's not too late. It is not too late. You have all the time in the world to make a video and be monetized from it the day that you start it. Let's go over it. The first thing, I can show you how to create a free website, create free products, sell those products on your website, link those products in your description, talk about those products in your video, just like my shirt. It says covered. I created this shirt. I started a website completely free. I made this product completely free. Even the candle that is burning in the background, it is it says covered as well. Covered in the blood of Jesus. That is what covered means. I have a signature heart here on my shoulder. That is my signature heart on my website. In my blogs, I use a signature heart. So that is one way to create income on YouTube. Create a product on a free website. Print on demand allows you to create products free, and you don't pay them until you sell a product. If somebody in this video saw my candle burning and wanted one, by the way, it smells so good. But if you saw my candle burning, you like the burn, you like the flame, and you wanted to buy the candle, then you would go into my description. You would click the link. It would take you straight to the candle on my website, and you make money. Same with my shirt. I'll link my shirt, my t-shirt in the description. You'll see that link. You'll click on that link, buy that shirt. I've made a commission. That is the first way that you can make money on YouTube without being monetized. The second way that you can make money on YouTube without being monetized is to create a blog. And I have both, okay? So you'll create a blog on your free website. You go to Amazon affiliate program, sign up to be an affiliate. Go to Walmart affiliate program, sign up to be an affiliate. You grab those links, put them in your blog. You'll talk about these items and these products naturally. If you use something, then talk about it. Just like this mic. I use this mic in my YouTube videos. I'll create a blog and I'll talk about the mic and how it benefits me and how it enables my listeners to be able to understand what I'm saying a little bit better in my videos because of this mic. You would just talk about the mic naturally. You would link it in your blog, and then you would go and create a Pinterest page. You would take that Pinterest page, create your account on Pinterest, and then you would make pins on Canva. I made a video about 7 or 8 years ago about how to create Pinterest pins on Canva, and I'll put that thumbnail here so that you can go and watch that video anytime that you get ready. It's an old video. I don't know what it entails, but I know it tells you what to do. It tells you exactly how to create a Pinterest pin in Canva. You create the pin and then you upload it into Pinterest, and link that pin to your blog. When somebody goes in Pinterest and they put in what they're looking for and your pin pops up, they'll click on that pin and it'll go straight to your website. And that is how you will begin to make money. So, for all of you over 50, like myself, and you have tried to figure out, well, how am I going to make money online? How am I going to make money on YouTube? Is it too late for me to start? Where do I start? What do I do? I have to get monetized. It's going to take forever. I'm going to need so many thousand subscribers and so many thousand watch hours and all of the different things that it entails. Here is your key. You're going to create products free using a print on demand shop free. Going to Amazon, become an affiliate, go to Walmart, become an affiliate, use those products in your blog post, talk about them naturally, and then link them to your Pinterest page. Pinterest is a search engine. We have three search engines, guys. We have Google, which is the one that is full of words. We have YouTube, which is full of videos. And we have Pinterest, which is full of photos. So as soon as you become an affiliate with Amazon, Walmart, and there's other affiliate programs out there as well. I'm just giving you Amazon and Walmart because they are the easiest to become an affiliate with. You don't have to wait. They'll automatically put you into a back office and you can begin tag images. You can begin saving images off of the website and begin using those links immediately right in your blog and begin to talk about those products because they're all in your home. Everything in my background came from somewhere. Everything came from somewhere. And the only thing you need to do is tag it, talk about it, write it, link it, wait on people to click on it and buy. It's simple. And once again, guys, my t-shirt is on my website. I have other t-shirts on my website as well. They are all one word affirmations or one word inspirations. And yeah, and they come in about three different colors: black, white, and sage. I was thinking about opening up a few other colors. I'm really not sure just yet, but I'm just now working on my website. Now, my candle is not on my site. My candle will be on my Etsy shop. I'm working on products to put in my Etsy shop right now because that will be another way that I'm making money online over 50. Being at home after back surgery and I'm healing, I'm having so many thoughts go through my head. Is it too late? Should I start over? Can I start over? Where do I start? What do I do? How do I do it? And I figured if I'm having these thoughts, it's got to be so many other people who are thinking the same thing. So yeah, guys, jump on board, grab your free website. I'm going to link where you can get your free website below in the description, as well as my shirt. I'm going to link my shirt down in the description as well. You can start making money the same day that you start your YouTube channel. So, guys, jump on it, get ready, testify in the comment section below. Let me know how you have created your products, your print on demand, how you have started your Pinterest page and begin making pins and linking to your blogs. Let me know how you're talking about your products and you are creating these products for your website. Let me know, share it with me. Thank you for watching this video and God bless.